Nike SB Dunk High, Jason Voorhees, 2007 gold box. Here's a pair that's definitely been worn, but it is in my opinion, pretty dang good shape. About 50% stars, okay? We do have some heel drag, okay? But this is a pretty good candidate for a reglue. 2007, you're going to be, the glue's gonna be dry. Somebody sells you a DS pair, the glue's gonna be dry, that old. All you have to do is push on the upper and you're gonna be able to separate that upper from the cup outsole, no problem. So just so you know. So we're definitely gonna do a reglue here and a deep clean. First thing I'm going to do is remove the laces, remove the insoles. I'm gonna go ahead and clean the laces. I'm gonna clean the insoles, hang them to dry. Then I'm gonna remove this thread. Okay, I'm gonna remove the thread all the way around. I'm gonna remove the cup outsole. As far as the upper goes, once I have the upper, I'm going to put it in a size 10 Nike Dunk shoe last. I'm gonna clean it with Castile soap, and I'm gonna let it sit in that last overnight, and that last is really gonna help get the creasing out. Once the cup outsole is removed, I'm gonna clean it up real good with Castile soap. Then I am going to lighten it up a little bit doing the, using my UV. I don't want it to get like super bright white, but I would like it to get a little bit more evenly lightened. And then I'm gonna clean insides of it out with some acetone and cotton balls. It's gonna be the only time that I use acetone on this whole job. Once that's all done, we're gonna prep for reglue. Okay, we're going to glue the upper. We're gonna apply glue on the cup outsole. We're gonna let that cure. And then what I like to do when I reapply the outsole is I like to work in the front first. Okay, so I like to center it up and then heat it up right here and then apply right here in the front. Okay, and then I like to start working over here towards the quarter panel here, over here towards the quarter panel here. Then I like to apply the back. Okay, I put the back center on and then I bring it down to the quarter panel over here. I bring it down to the quarter panel over here, and then I do the quarter panels last. And then we're all good, we're glued on. And then the very last step will, of course, be to stitch the upper back on using my trusty hand crank sewing machine that is made for this particular purpose and design. And then we're gonna be good to go. So thanks for watching, and see you on the next one. Remember, real sneakerheads show love.